Good morning, students of 6th class. Now we are going to discuss about question number 3 of the exercise 3.5 of your textbook and question number 4. Okay, after we are continuous. Students, now we are going to discuss question number 3. In question number 3, what is this? Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? सो स्टूडेंट, कोई कंपोजिट नंबर है जिसका हमने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं, जिसमें कौन सी नंबर अलाउड नहीं है, कौन सी नंबर इंक्लूडेड नहीं है उसी प्राइम नंबर की फैक्टर्स में। ओके, जो फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं, तो एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देके बता देते हैं आपको। जैसे सपोज 25 का हमने फैक्टर्स किया, तो क्या होगा? 25 का फैक्टर्स 5 से जाएगा, 5 5 जा और 5 1 जा। सो वी कैन से दैट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 5 into 5. So students, there have 5 into 5 only. There have no any numbers 1 and 25. Okay, so students, we can say that the which factors, this is also factors 1, but we not include in this factorization method. So we have know about this 1 and 25. It means 1 and number itself is not included in the prime factorization method of the composite numbers. So students, how can we write the answer here? 1 and number itself. Okay, 1 and number itself is not included in the prime factorization method of the composite number. So students, ये है शॉर्ट में आंसर। आपको पता है कैसे हम जब प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड लिखते हैं, मेथड में प्राइम फैक्टर लिखते हैं कोई भी नंबर की, कंपोजिट नंबर की, तो हम 1 एंड उसी नंबर इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं इसकी नंबर में। जैसे नॉर्मली आप अगर फैक्टर्स फाइंड करोगे कोई भी नंबर की, फैक्टर्स और कॉमन फैक्टर्स में फर्क है स्टूडेंट्स। फैक्टर्स निकालोगे तो सपोज देखो, और भी एक एग्जांपल दे देता हूं। जैसे सपोज आ गया 9 की आपको जस्ट फैक्टर निकालना है, तो कैसे निकालोगे? 9 1 into 9 is equal to 9, 3 is 2, 3 is equal to 9. ओके, तो 9 की क्या क्या फैक्टर्स आया? 1 3 and 9. So factors of 9 is equal to 1 3 and 9. And if you do the factors of 9 by prime factorization method, you do like this: 9 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So students, the factors of 9 is 3 into 3. So students, they have not included 1 and number itself. 1 and 9 they have no, but there 1 and number itself is the factor of this number. So this is in the prime factorization method, they are not included. Okay, 1 and number itself. So right answer, 1 and number itself is not included in the prime factorization method of composite numbers. Understand students? Next, write the greatest 4-digit numbers of and express it in terms of prime factors. ओके, प्राइम फैक्टर्स हमें फाइंड करना है किसका? ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर की। तो ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर क्या होता है? 49. ओके, दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर 9999. And now you have to prime factors of it. First, it will be gone by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and then also it will be goes by 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay. then it is one number which is prime. So student, this is prime or composite. Just one time watch हमारी. This is gone by 11. This is the composite number, so 11. 11 ones are 11 and then 11 1 11. 101 आ गया. 101 is divided by which number? There have a no. This is the composite or prime numbers. 101. 101 is prime or composite? Prime numbers. 101. Okay. So 101 have any numbers for divided by 100, for any number divisible by any numbers of 101. There have any numbers? No. So that's why this is 101. The 101. 101 ones up. Okay students. So the terms express how to prime factorization method. So 9999, the prime factorization method, the prime factors of this. So how can write the answer of it? You have to write the below of this number. There have no place, so that's why I write the beside of this factorization. Okay, लेकिन students आपको नीचे ही लिखना है. Understand? The prime factors of 9 are which? 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Understand student? This is the prime factors of this number, 4 digit, greatest 4 digit numbers. Understand students? So आपको ऐसे करना है prime factorization method. Okay. Now students, let's start the second question. Question number 5. Okay. In the fourth, I think all 4 completed, all things are understood by yourself. And now we are going to discuss about question number 5, which in question number 5, what is this? Write the smallest 5 digit numbers and express it in the form of the prime factors. Form of the prime factors. Okay. तो देखो, write the smallest 5 digit numbers and express it in the form of prime number. At first you write the smallest 5 digit number means 1 after 40. This is the smallest 5 digit number. In this number there have 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5, and now you have to express as it prime factors. And how to express? At first find the prime factor. Okay, first it will be gone by 2. 2 5s are 10 or 30. After 2 25s are 50 हो गया, बाकी 2 0 बचे. After 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8, 1 और 10 0 मतलब 10, 2 5s are 10 और 1 0. वापस 2, जब तक 0 लास्ट में है तो 2 से जाएगा ही जाएगा. 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4 और 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5 और 1 to 12, तो 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. If you have not understand like in this step, you can divide by separately. Okay, जैसे देखो 625, इसको हमने डिवाइड कर दिया 5 से. 5 1 जा 5 माइनस 1 to 12, 5 2 जा 10, माइनस करो 2 5 25, ये 5 था तो नीचे आ गया 2 5 5 जा 25, ऐसे तो 125 आ गया 125. Understand students? After that 5 5 2 जा 10, 5 5 जा 25, 5 5 जा 25, 5 1 जा 5. Now you will stop like this जब 1 आ गया. Okay, now how to write in form by factorization method? The form of prime factors, thus the form of these prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 after 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So students, this is the prime factors of smallest 5 digit number. Understand students? ये आ गया. This is the method of prime factorization. So you can, in the previous you can write here now. Okay, just one step. Now the smallest 5 digit number is this. Okay, now just now directly कर दो चलेगा. Okay, you know that this is the smallest 5 digit number and you can write in the bracket smallest 5 digit number. Okay, बस this is the complete method of factorization of prime factors. Okay, so students, I think you understand, and next we are going to the next question. Students, now going to the next question, question number 6. Find the all prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relation if any between two consecutive prime numbers. Okay, between two consecutive prime numbers. So students, आंसर कैसे होगा? पहले क्या करना है? The prime factors of this number. Okay, so write here the prime factors of 1729 now factors of it. First 1 से 2 से 3 से नहीं जाता है तो देखो 7 से जाएगा. 7 2 जा 14, क्या बचे? 17 में से 14 चला गया तो 3 बचे. 3 और ये 2 मिलकर 32 हो गया. 7 8 जा 32, सॉरी 7 8 4 जा 7 4 जा 27, 28 का देखो 32 में से 28 गया तो क्या बचे? 4. तो 4 और 9 49, 7 ये 49, 7 7 जा 49. ओके, आफ्टर 13 से जाएगा और कोई नंबर से नहीं जाता है और 19 से भी जा सकता है, लेकिन 13 से पहले कर देते हैं. 13 1 जा 13, बचेगा कितना? 11 और 7 मिलकर 177. तो 13 कितने जा 177, 13 9 जा 177, 19 आ गया. आफ्टर 19 इज द प्राइम नंबर, तो 19 1 जा 19. So this is the complete factorizations of 1729. So students, arrange in an ascending order. The ascending order of these factors are Sarigna, the ascending order of 1729 are the ascending order of 1729, ऐसे लिखना the ascending order of प्राइम फैक्टर. किसका ascending order है? प्राइम फैक्टर्स of 1729 are 7, 13 into 19. देखो दिस इज द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, छोटा से बड़ा. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? आफ्टर दैट क्या बोला कि इसके अंदर कोई रिलेशन है. यस, एक रिलेशन है. जैसे 7 से 6 जोड़ दो तो 13 आता है, और 13 से 6 जोड़ दो तो क्या होता है? 19. सो कंसेक्यूटिव द डिफरेंस ऑफ द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ कंसेक्यूटिव द डिफरेंस of two consecutive prime numbers. Okay, so student इसके नीचे लिखना आपको relation. Therefore the difference of two consecutive prime numbers prime number is 6. How 6? Because 13 minus 7 6, 19 minus 13 6. So student, both consecutive prime numbers, the difference of both consecutive prime numbers, the difference of it 6. So that's why this is the relation of these factors, consecutive prime factors. Understand student? So this question is very effective for you, and understands clearly, then you will solve it. Understand student, and watch our videos clearly. Okay, thank you.